If you have Tesla car, this video might be interesting for you. How to reset Tesla car? It's very easy. Sometimes internet is not connected or hotspot Wi-Fi is not connected. So you need to reset your Tesla car. How to reset Tesla car? It's very easy. Look at this here. This button continuously press and simultaneously this is the screen. You can see here in the half portion of the screen. Screen is automatically turn it off, so still you continuously press here. Just simply 1 2 3 I continuously press, and look at this here, my screen is shut down, means black, and afterward the screen automatically visible. Still I'm pressing this both scroll button, and look at this here, my screen is active here. Afterward you can just simply release the button and your Tesla car is a reset. Afterwards, you can very easily connect Wi-Fi if sometimes Wi-Fi is not connected in your Tesla car. So this is the simple process to reset, reboot your Tesla car no matter which model you are using. You just simply press this and this continuously, and afterwards your Tesla car is a reboot. This is the simple process.